So that's it, ladybugs. I hope you like them as much as I do. They just, playing around. They're based on this one that I made a long time ago. Isn't this gorgeous? Using bits and pieces from your stash, leftover papers, because I've got so many. So look out. I will post once the tutorial is up. Hopefully I'll be able to do it next week. I've just been up to my eyeballs lately. But here we go, and see you in the next one. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you. Shout out to all my new subscribers. Thank you very much for joining me. Ciao now. Bye-bye.